Okay, so I just filmed my first GoPro video. It was really fun. First half I didn't orient it properly, so it's kind of a bit too high, but then I looked at it while I was cooking and I got that right. Yeah, so now I still have that. I gotta clean it up, but it's mostly pretty nice. I just ate, showed the video to my flatmate, and that's about it. You can cut the video.
I'm gonna make myself a pretty simple meal, which is half a sweet potato baked with a bit of mushrooms. That's the baking plate, and some olive oil and a bit of broccoli. So the first step is to turn the oven on to 20. Quickly peel it. So I don't really care about the oven being hot right away. I'll just put it in and wait for maybe 25 minutes. Here we go for broccoli. And second part, 10 minutes have passed or something like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of herbs here. It's gonna be nice. And get my chicken ready. I'll put it back down to 4. Can't cook it too fast. Oh, well, it doesn't seem to get. So the idea here is to cook it until it gets practically white on the top here. See? Once that's done, I can turn it around and just do 1 minute at the end. So that's my super trick to cook the chicken. As you can see, this piece is like ready. This is ready. This one is not, but mostly is. Should just wait for another little bit of time, a minute maybe. Let's see how the sweet potatoes are doing. Ooh, they're getting there. I think I'm gonna first just, yeah, that's okay. Turn this around. I'll just turn them around. Put this back in, another 5, maximum 10 minutes. Turn this off, still keeping it hot. Let's check the chicken. Yeah, it's pretty much perfect. As you can see, it's cooked all through. It's still very soft. This is going to be a very big plate, I think, considering how much stuff I made. Okay, well, this looks like it's ready. The minutes are gone through. Let's check the delicious. Whoa! Nice. Great. So, I got some of this. And this is the final result.